Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where we do not gatekeep. Steven here with another pro tip video for you. No fluff. Um, so, before we get started, this is gonna be for my beginner photographers to moderate photographers. And the question, before we get started, the question I have for you guys are you tired of taking photos of the occasional family member or friend? And do you wanna, expand your horizon? If so, this is the website for you. Today we're going to be talking about TFP. What is TFP? Time for photo or time for print. What does that mean? That means the model trades their time and in payment they get the photos that you take of them. So this could be very beneficial to both parties. You get to, you know, expand your portfolio and they get to get pictures and in turn expand their portfolio as models, and it gives you different situations to adapt to and different people to work with. So what I'm gonna do today is that I'm gonna tell you two websites that I think are good for these kind of scenarios. The one I'm gonna start with is modelmanagement.com. Model management was good for me because it definitely helped me get more models, different kind of models that I wouldn't get in my regular day-to-day life. It was just better, and it got me out of my comfort zone. And if you want to be a successful photographer, you have to get out of your comfort zone and you have to be able to adapt to any situation. So with that being said, let's go with the first one I just said, model management. How model management works is that you create a website, you post a bulletin, and then the models come to you. You post the location, the general area you're looking to shoot, and the models come to you. What I would say is that you have to be very clear and concise in what you want out of the photo shoot. So, it could run smoothly for you and it could run smoothly for the model. This website was good for me, but I did notice that after a certain point, you hit a wall. And what do I mean when I say you hit a wall? I mean that after a certain point, you can still post bulletins, but you can't talk to the models. The models can't reply back to you. And the only way that could work is if you do something like slick, like have them hit your DMs about the bulletin you posted on the website. You could go through that because I know, especially for beginner photographers, we probably don't have the time or the money to pay for the premium service. Because with the premium service, you don't have to. You're not gonna run to that problem. You could always post and you could always speak to the models, and it pretty much will be like a clear, cohesive harmony. But like I'm saying, you could go that route if you're willing to pay, or you could go around it with like I said before, the Instagram DMs and stuff like that. But you know what, we don't even have to make it that complicated. We can make it even easier because that's what I'm here for. Another website you could try is Facebook. Yeah, that's right, Facebook. I'm pretty sure most of you photographers probably didn't even think about that when it comes to time for print. So what does that mean? At the search bar on Facebook, you are going to write your nearby city or a city that you live in. Let me use New York as an example. In the search bar, I'm going to write New York TFP. Once I write that, I'm going to get a couple of groups that, has models willing to trade their time for photography. Is diverse. You have street photography TFP, you have landscape photography TFP, you have nature photography TFP. Once you put that in the search, you're gonna look for where your niche is, and like this is for you to get more models. So I'm assuming you're gonna go to the one that says model. New York TFP. You're gonna go to the one that shows models. Same thing as the other website I told you about. What you're gonna do is that you are going to post a bulletin, and you're gonna wait for the models to come in. Now, with this one, it's completely free and it's continuous. You're never gonna run out of models to talk to, and there's no wall. You know, there's nowhere to stop. The only way is up from there. When you do this, make sure you, again, are clear and concise in what you want to do. Make sure you're confident, because if you're confident, the model is going to be confident. And also, this is a group, so this is a community. This is a way where you can showcase your work and you could get healthy critique and have a group that pretty much helps you out, you know? So you can build your photography, you could get better, and you could have a community. I remember when I started this, I didn't know any photographers, and it was just a lot of YouTube videos helping me out along the way. And I feel like if I had this, it would have been much easier. So I guess that's what you guys have me for. You know, I make these things easy, no gatekeeping, and with these videos I'm giving you, it should help you, give you something concrete as to where to start or where to go. So that's the end of the video. If you guys have any questions for me, feel free to leave it down in the comment, and check out my website, newbrandphotography.com, and also check out my Instagram, you know, and give me a follow. I'll follow back. Hopefully this tip helps you out, and good luck on your photo journey. I'll talk to you guys later.